Well, hello, this is Steve Weston. I am author of In the Wild Chef. I am glad that you got to see me today. We are going to talk about my video blog recipe series, which is coming on YouTube, and yeah, get a little wild in the woods. How you doing? And how you're going to do it, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It doesn't cost anything. It's not hard. Just click the button, and it's going to alert you that we have new cooking videos coming out. There may be some pretty good humor in there, and yeah, there's a little hubris. Yeah, I get that. InTheWildChef.com. That's why you're got to find us at Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn. So please get in there, and YouTube, obviously. Hit the subscribe button. I'm not going to tell you again. You know, I get a question often: why do people eat crappy food when they're out on the trail? I think it's because they don't know any better. They really don't think there's other options, and there is options. I love eating in fine restaurants, but I don't like the stuffiness in the restaurant. So I would like that food out when I'm backpacking, when I'm camping, hunting, fishing. I think you would too, but anyway, that's the answer. So I get a question: did I always eat well outdoors? I can answer that many ways, but I think the answer that you're looking for is yes. I ate well as a kid. I was camping, eating before the age of 10. I just ended up being the camp cook my entire life, and it just the food kept elevating. The challenge got bigger. Then I was cooking for large groups, expeditions. So, yeah, I've always done well cooking. So I get this question: do I have to be a really good cook to eat well outdoors? No, you do not. If you grab my book, and another book coming, they're actually very easy. It tells you what to do at home, tells you what to do at camp, and what you need to prepare for. I mean, if you can boil water, even if you can't, I'm sure book 2 will address on how to boil water. But you do not have to be an experienced cook or chef to eat well outdoors. So I get the question, do you need to bring a lot of heavy equipment to eat well outdoors? And the answer is, depends on the group, right? So when you're backpacking, obviously heavy equipment's not conducive to carrying on your back. When you're in groups of backpacking, you like to spread out the weight. So you can eat well. It's like, here, you take fuel. Here, you take a stove. Here, you take food. That's really kind of the same way as the expeditions grow larger. There's animals, and it's like, here, Mr. Yak, you hold the stove. You hold this. You hold food. It's kind of the same principle. You just need to share in carrying the weight. But no, you do not need to carry a lot of weight. Some of this equipment is amazing. The technology has come, light years. I mean, we have heat exchangers around pots that help keep the flame where it needs to be and blocks out the wind. I mean, there's just very, very good technology and really great equipment. So I get this question asked almost every presentation I do. Hey, Steve, chef, how do you get alcohol in the backcountry? Well, that's easy. What you do is you go to the liquor store and you buy a half gallon of your favorite alcohol, booze, whiskey, vodka, rum, whatever it is that you like. You buy a half gallon, so it's nice and heavy, big old jug of it. You go to your friend's pack when he or she's not looking, and you stuff that half gallon deep into the pack to where they don't know it's there. When you get to the top of the mountain, you let your friend know, hey, I think it's time to have a drink. Let's have a drink. And will you reach in your pack and get our drink out? And they go, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, no, go ahead and get that whiskey out of there. What whiskey? The whiskey you just carried 10 miles up there in your pack. Get it out of your pack, and let's have a drink. Salute.